Hey everyone! Want to turn your writing skills into cash? In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how to sell blog posts, ebooks, and product descriptions on Fiverr. Let's get into it. First, create a Fiverr account if you haven't already. Your profile is your storefront. Use a professional photo, write a short but clear bio, and highlight your writing experience. Now create separate gigs for each service. One for blog posts, one for ebooks, and one for product descriptions. Use keywords like SEO blog post, professional ebook writing, and high-converting product descriptions to boost your visibility in Fiverr search. Make sure you respond to messages quickly and deliver high-quality work on time. Use tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor to polish your writing. Happy clients leave 5-star reviews, and reviews drive more sales. Once you get a few orders, ask for tips or upsell services like keyword research or formatting. You can even outsource some work and grow your writing biz into a team. And that's how you start selling your writing services on Fiverr. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your Fiverr profile in the comments below so we can support each other.